and a big chill returning.
All right, David, thank you. A new report now by Realtor.com reveals the 4 Texas cities where home prices are expected to fall in 2024. And some very good news, Austin is on that list. Hannah James from Realtor.com. She is a senior economic research analyst joining us this afternoon. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Okay, so your firm predicted home prices will fall 1.7% next year. What type of price decline, though, will Austin see?
So while we're expecting to see price declines nationally, we expect that price declines in Austin will actually be larger. So we're expecting to see prices fall about 12% in Austin next year.
Do we know exactly why that is, why there's such a steep decline?
Right, so the Austin housing market is a great example of a market that was just stretched too far during the pandemic. So prices rose so sharply during those few years that even with these price declines in 2023 and 2024, we still expect to see prices about 29% above pre-pandemic levels. So it was really that influx of demand during the pandemic that put a lot of pressure on housing inventory and drove prices higher.
Okay, and then why are we expected to see a shift in housing affordability in 2024? And we're always talking about mortgage rates. How do those really factor into all of this?
Right. So mortgage rates are up, more than 4 percentage points higher than those pre-pandemic lows. And so while prices have climbed, mortgage rates have also climbed, which has, really increased the size of the typical housing payment and really put a lot of pressure on buyer budgets.
Okay, and then Hannah, lastly, even though the market might stabilize, what are some challenges we expect to see in 2024?
So ultimately, we still expect to see that affordability will be a big challenge in 2024 in Austin. In November, home prices were still about $200,000 higher than they were pre-pandemic in the area. And so because of that, it's still going to be a challenge for buyers, especially first-time home buyers who aren't leveraging a home sale into a home purchase to break into this market.
Hannah Jones from Realtor.com, thank you so much. We have the full report on our website at KXAN.com. War crimes have been filed against Russian soldiers. What the Justice Department says they